I used to drive a Scania truck, Lord, but she could go. She was built up in Sweden in a place they call Malmo. There was no machine could touch her with my shoe down to the floor. As I drove up the motorway in my Scania 164, you could hear that wagon coming with her mighty engine roar. This big machine is strong and mean, drawing 40 tons or more. There was no machine could touch her with my shoe down to the floor. As I drove up the motorway in my Scania 164, it was at the Truckers Cafe down in old Marseille. As I went up to order, I could hear those truckers say, well, there's that girl that just walked by, as I was telling you before. So I set up high and mighty in my Scania 164. You can hear that wagon coming with her mighty engine roar. This big machine is strong and mean, drawing 40 tons or more. There is no machine could touch her with my shoe down to the floor. As I drove up the motorway in my Scania 164. If you ever think of trucking or buying a wagon big and strong, have yourself some comfort as you go trucking on. When you go into a dealer, you let him know the score, that you just want to buy yourself a Scania 164. You can hear that wagon coming with her mighty engine roar. This big machine is strong and mean, drawing 40 tons or more. There was no machine could touch her with my shoe down to the floor. And I drove up the motorway in my Scania 164. Well, I think that you should buy yourself a Scania 164.
Diamonds on the windshield as heaven starts to cry, and in his rear view mirror his angel waves goodbye. She knows he's gonna go, she knows he's one of them brothers of the highway, children of the wind. That Detroit diesel pirate ship goes blowing out again, sailing toward the setting sun. Freedom's their best friend. Brothers of the highway, children of the wind. Oh, bring it on in there.
Well, put the pedal to the metal, try it out or run the rain. Another shot of truck stop coffee as I run in through his veins. This world turns on 18 wheels, thank God we can depend.